To download BIS code, we have to visit the browser. In browser, search BIS. Go to this BIS Bureau of standard of week, standard money, standard advisor. So we have to go to know your standard. Redirect to new page. So here I have searched. First we need a code there. Search like IS 456 2000. So put here 456. Here comes the code 456 2000. Plain and enforcement concrete code of practice. So just tap on it. After that we see here Indian standard, click to download. Now as we see here our IS code, that is 456 2000, reaffirmed 2020-21. So go to here, login to download. Where the pop-up opens. Put your names as I have previously registered, so here my comes ID and password. If you are not new to that, then go press register and fill this information. So if you are a student, then fill this as an individual. We have to download for study purpose, so we take individual and put the email, password, confirm password, first name, last name, select country, select here which country you want. I have previously registered, so put here states, city, address 1, address 2, GST number, post code, and then capture. And I have previously registered, so go to login portal. IS 456. So here come 456 2000. Becomes login to the will capture. If in a case that it doesn't get loaded, then you have to go to new browser or refresh or delete the cookies on which you previously registered. Then try to log in. Now download PDF. Here comes disclaimer. Don't share this with because there is their name and their email ID and their IP address printed on that. So reproduction of Indian standard is not permitted. Reselling of Indian standard download is not permitted. Tampering of the content is not done. Started on including watermark is not permitted. Okay. So fill the capital. 20 agree. Previously downloaded series we have to download that. Here you see 14th reprint August 2014, reaffirmed 2021. So you can see the update record latest IS code.